One of the, if not the biggest poker event in Web3 is going down in 2 days. The World Series of Abstract, the main event powered by SugarTown. If you followed along my Abstract series here on my channel, then you know about this. The qualifiers have been going on for several weeks. There's been plenty of chances to actually get a ticket for the finals. We're gonna take a look at how many people actually got a ticket in the end. I told you in my last video, which I'm gonna link up here, about the last chances to actually get a ticket. I managed to get one, more on that in a second, and then all the info that you need to know about the finals or the main event of the World Series of Abstract. First of all, let's take a look at qualifiers summary here, because in the end there's 313 players that have earned their ticket to the SugarTown World Series of Abstract main event. The players will be duking it out next week for the epic 50,000 total prize pool. Did you make the cut? There's actually 12 not in the list because they didn't have online stats. Not sure what that means, to be honest. But as you can see here, we see the different ranks here. There's several pictures in here. As you can see, there's a lot of energy spent. Some people spend a lot of energy over time. Qualifying games played, what the fuck? 121 games played, 111 games. Okay, but your boy is also in there. Let's search for it. Here we go. This is me, lukemoody.eth. I spent 165 energy. Actually pretty good if we take a look at some others here with how many games they played. I only played 6 qualifier games and now I got my final seat. Poker power in qualifying games doesn't look too bad either, with 36.85%. Let me know if you made it into the finals. There's only 313 people that actually made the cut. If you're in there, let me know, because we will see each other in the finals. Maybe we will end up at the same table. And now is the time to actually sign up, and you need to do this before the actual main event starts. Now, this is the official tweet. As always, all the links are down in the description. The registration for the main event is now live and they just posted this. Be there on August 6th at 1 PM EST. For me, this is 7 PM European Central Time, for your chance to be named the best poker player in crypto. If you have qualified, be sure to register on our website prior to the game. If you are qualified and experience any issues registering, head to our Discord for support. They are very supportive there, so make sure to do that. And now let's take a look, and here we go. Okay, so rank 1 actually gets 20.68% of the whole pool. That's 5,540 USDC, 82 million grind, and 1 SugarTown Ora, which will passively give you the pods, which I just tweeted about in this tweet here. If you are playing games, then you get points, and also if you hold an Ora, then you get those Ora pods, and they will give you a token allocation once their token goes live. Since they have a poker game already online, several other games in development, this is, in my opinion, as always, no financial advice, one of the projects to really look for. You also get a couple of other NFTs from partner collections that also got free tickets for the qualifiers. You can see here, there's also Cores, which is something that generates tickets that you can turn into energy on Abstract as well. So this is basically their second collection. You also get Grind, but no USDC allocation here. So the top 30 actually get a lot of different tokens and or NFTs depending on the position that you're placing in, also USDC. To be honest, I will probably not make it into the top 30, but I will definitely show up at the main tournament. What you need to do is to sign up. Let's do this. As always, head to sugar.town, connect your wallet, and here we go. I am connected with the correct wallet. Now I gonna hit poker. As you can see, there's only one event now that you can sign up to. There's 300 players that are eligible. You need to have 10 energy to get in. As you can see here, I won one of the last games, so I am not able to register yet. As soon as I have my ticket in my wallet, I will be able to register. You need to have the ticket for the finals. As you saw here, I was one of the ones that actually made the cut and positioned in one of the top positions for the qualifiers. So I actually made it here. You can see this. And well, now is the time to register. Once you're there, just hit register and then you're good to go. And then I would say see you all that made it into the finals. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.